I'm playing the Bears Den at Seneca Falls Casino tonight with Blood, Sweat, and Tears. And since I have my priorities in order, I thought I would give you a tour of all the snacks that are available to me backstage. This is a smallish green room, but we got snacks. They set these up so fancily, and even the Milanos are very important to me. We're gonna go further backstage. Look at all these. These are where they, like, dry clean a lot of clothes at once, I'm guessing. Don't go in there. We've got deli trays. We got sandwich stuff. We've got an entire tray of brownies. What's in here? Oh, there's nothing in there. We're gonna keep going. That was all the snacks. But I want to show you this, like, cute little venue.
One, two, yeah.
That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. They're gonna finish setting that up, and I'm gonna go find all those Milanos. Target squared.